Definitely, labour laws are a major issue, and our labour laws do have to protect workers' rights and conditions, but not at the expense of productivity. So we have to find that right balance, and that is important. We don't have that right balance. We also have other issues. For example, something that would paint the picture would be the wedgie bill that has just been recently in the news, and that's the Women Empowerment and Gender Equality Bill. And like the labour laws, these are pieces of legislation that don't come into being to disadvantage business or undermine productivity. They come in for a good reason, but the unintended consequences are extremely damaging. Now, the wedgie bill, for example, puts hugely onerous burdens on companies of all sizes and a discretion on a minister to be able to put these burdens on any size company in terms of their 50%, more than 50% women and this kind of thing. Now that is hugely crippling, and what we need to be doing is freeing up business to be able to be as productive as possible, not actually hampering it and pulling it down. Now we've got huge entrepreneurial skills. Just takes a visit into Khayelitsha on a weekend and to see that it's non-stop business every inch of the way. So those entrepreneurial skills need to be actually facilitated and encouraged, and we need less bureaucracy, we need more ability to actually find and help people with the financing and the kind of skills they need to access to get their businesses off the ground and to access the kind of markets they need to be able to actually be competitive. So we need the skills is very, very important. We also need the skills development. We need to make sure that every child in South Africa who has the ability to do tertiary, to get tertiary education, gets tertiary education. There should be nothing financial stopping a child with the ability doing that. But of course that starts right from early childhood development, and we need to make sure that we have early childhood development in every area of this country so that everybody has that free early start and that ability to start developing to their fullest potential. I'm watching your face to carry on. So the skills come hand in hand. The legislation needs to open up the environment. Of course, we do need the infrastructure. If we're going to have a leadership that's not trustworthy and a leadership where there's no integrity, we are going to be taking the money that is meant for that infrastructure to make sure that we have the kind of businesses that we need in this country so that people can get the jobs, whether it's your own, we're working for yourself or whether it's working for somebody else. We actually all deserve the opportunity to use our talents, our skills, and to be able to earn money to provide for our own families, and that will build even our confidence in South Africa. And a confident people don't feel the need to go out protesting, burning down, tearing down. Thank you.